Diplomatic envoys from 12 countries have gone on a 4-day tour in China's Shenzhen to better understand the city's achievements in new energy and smart transportation and explore cooperation potential in these fields.
Luxembourg is a financial center, and Luxembourg has decided very early to focus on green finance. And so for me this is very interesting to discover more what is going on and what these research lab and companies are doing, and in order to maybe foster future cooperation.
I came to Shenzhen 30 years ago, so it was around like 1995 or 6. So compared to those periods, I'm really impressed with the development since then. Shenzhen is really reaching to achieve the carbon neutral things through green energy usage. I think there should be some room for the cooperation. Of course, it depends on each company's decision. I believe that there are lots of rooms for the Japanese companies and Chinese companies can cooperate.
In 2022, the added value of Shenzhen's green and low-carbon industry reached 173 billion yuan, up 16.1% year-on-year. In the field of transportation, Shenzhen is the first in China to replace all public transportation like buses and cabs with electric vehicles. The number of electric vehicles in logistics and distribution has reached 100,000 units.